Hey guys, it's been a long time since I made a video, so I thought this week I'm heading on a trip to deliver a press brake and install a laser in press brake in Tennessee and laser in Kentucky. And I thought I would just take you along on this and put up a video every day or every couple of days as I make progress. I've got a lot of footage from some previous trips. I went over to North Carolina to Tri-City Laser and installed a 3,000 watt fiber laser there for Gary Fowler and his team. I've got a whole bunch of footage of that I've got to get edited and up on my channel soon. And but I'm having some issues with the way I've recorded certain kinds of footage and the video formats. I've got to get new editing software, which led me into getting a different PC, and there's been complications with that. So for this, I'm just going to record all this on my phone and edit on my phone and upload, and it's just a lot easier to do it in small batches, upload it daily. So enjoy this video from today, which is going to be Wednesday, Cinco de Mayo actually. So check it out. All right, just recording more voiceover here on this video of loading up the press brake. I've sold this one again to a guy in Paris, Tennessee that's got a pretty impressive shop building accessories and parts for side-by-sides, and he's been needing a press brake for a while, and he's also got a laser on order. So I'll be delivering that to him in Paris, Tennessee, and then I'll be heading on to Cox Creek, Kentucky to install a fiber laser there. And so again, using my home-built lifting mechanism, using a 10,000 pound truck lift, and it's again working out really well. 7,700 pounds hanging on it right there, and then just backing the trailer underneath it and getting everything set to lower it down. All right, so due to a combination of my poor backing ability and the way the rigging system I'm using here, it always kind of puts this thing on a little bit of a tilt. All of the weight on this thing is on the front, so we do want it offset this side a little bit to get the overall weight centered on the trailer. But you see I got a ratchet strap there. As I lower this down, I'm just going to ratchet this end around and get it to line up straight. Easy, quick way to do it. All right, that corner over there is on the trailer, and so just gonna ratchet this over a little bit to try to square it up. And we don't have to get it perfectly square, but relatively square. Yank it a couple more times. All right, it's sitting on the deck, pretty square on there. We're gonna get it strapped down and hit the road.